Hey guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I am excited to show you some Condé exclusive shapes from the great guys at Universal Woods. So we've introduced to market some speech bubbles. These are really cute. They come in two different sizes. We have a smaller one, which is great for a refrigerator magnet, and we also have a larger one, which would be a really cute dry erase board. These are single-sided, made of hardboard, and they have a glossy finish. They're really easy to do, so let's do one. We just need a couple of basic things in order to sublimate our hardboard. We're gonna need heat tape, heat gloves, protective paper, our transfer, and our product. The larger speech bubbles do have a protective coating, so be sure to remove it before you affix it to your image so you don't ruin your product or damage your equipment. Now that we've removed the peel coat, we're ready to align it on our transfer. Once we have it lined up, we're just gonna tape it down. And now we're ready to go to the press. First, I'm gonna lay down a sheet of protective paper. I'm gonna follow that with my product face up with my image face down, and then cover it all with another sheet of protective paper. And then we press. Be sure to check Condé.com for all of our latest instructions. So we're gonna let that cool, and then I'll show you how to hang it. So now that our speech bubbles have been sublimated and have cooled, they're ready to be displayed however you like. I recommend 3M strips or magnets. We actually sell a 25-pack of magnets that works really well. So I'm gonna show you how to put this one on. You simply take the adhesive backing and peel it off, apply it to the back of your speech bubble, and it's ready to be displayed with any kind of cute saying or photo on your refrigerator. Our larger one makes a really cute dry erase board. They would be good for shopping lists, appointment reminders. They're really cute, they're easy to use, they can go just about anywhere. I love this product. So be sure to contact your Condé account representative today to find out more about our really cute speech bubbles. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.